Hello and welcome to my short demo video for my online pool backend system built to demonstrate a real-life backend system for voting. The key features of this application include to create, update, and delete pool, add multiple pool options per pool, cast vote on pool options. First, API designed for easy front-end integration. The environment config for local and the production. The endpoint we're going to be trying out in this includes the pool, the option, vote, and authentication. All right. So, but before we go into doing that, I want to introduce the tech stack that we use. We use a Django plus Django framework. First, for local PostgreSQL for our local database, and for production, of course, I use SQL because I'm on Python anywhere free plan, and then I'm going to be testing it out with the web. Now, we use that to create. Now, let's quickly go over to testing out the endpoint. Okay, so for me to test out the endpoint, I will have to first of all show you my live link, which one we create here, blessing.python anywhere.com.ap. It's going to take me directly to my page. This is my API root page where we have the pool option and the vote. All right, so for us to test out this endpoint, I need to pull up my API documentation. Now let's begin with this endpoint to create, or to better still register a user. Okay, so when I want to register a user, I'll need to provide the user's name. Username, let me say, use the username that I want, and then the user email at gmail.com. Of course, I will have to choose the password that I needed to use. All right, and then I will my post method. And now that I've registered, I need to log in to show us also the login usage of it. Login. Okay, I click on it. I just created this user with this name and with this password. Post, and then we have the user logged in. Okay, now that we have the user logged in, we also need to test out other option, which is option for pool. We can actually create, updates, and retrieve pools. All right, so we have to create pools. When we want to create pool, right, my right option. When I want to create option, we will have to use this endpoint for our creation of option. Paste it here, option. So I can come here to test and then select something for testing sake, and I'll use the post method. And here I have it, the option that I just created. Now under this, would you rather study English or mathematics pool? And I have this email and the ID. Now I can get the list of options from here, and I will see the options that I just created now, which is option number 12. There also, I can decide that I want to delete this. So I'll just have to delete it from this options here, destroy. Okay, and I will have to include the ID that I want to delete, because we're going to do that by the ID, which is this one that I just deleted. Of course, I can partially update it to maybe something else and hit put. Okay, and it will be updated like so. And also I can delete this option instance by hitting on the delete button, and there we have it. Then if I choose for look for this option 12 again, of course no option matches the given query because I've already deleted this with the given and then we can test out also the pools. I already have pools, so I will try deleting, patching, and updating. So I will choose my pool 7, okay, and see. Pool ID 7 says, would you rather dance, sing, or give reason? Okay, I can decide to like update, give reason for choosing your option. Okay, there's typo there. I put that. Okay, this is the typo. I can actually still correct the typo by going back to the, but then we're going to use our time to delete this. We hit on delete, of course, and we can delete this. And when we once we charge for this one again, we're not going to see because we've deleted it, and that one is for pools. We can actually do other vote, which is remaining. We have votes already, so let's just try to get the vote by ID. Vote, let me say vote number 2. Okay, I don't have vote number 2 anymore. Let me check the list of votes I have. Okay, I have vote number 6 ID. Okay, so I have it here. How do you rate ALS? How do you rate ALS? I can decide to update it here. How do you rate ALS from the scale of 1 to 10? And then I'll patch. Okay, there I have it. So all right, I can also decide to delete the instance when choosing delete, and there it is deleted. If I search for this again, there will be no query to match the given, no option, do not push to match the given query. All right, so that is it for the whole endpoint, the pool, the option, vote, and authentication. Note, when you want to create a vote, you will have to do it here to create your vote. you will have to create a vote. I would rather sing, that is a poll, a vote for would you rather dance or sing. Okay, let me see. I've voted for, I think I voted for this before. Yeah, I vote for this right now. Okay, I just create the poll, so I have to vote using this API, the endpoint here, and that is it. Thanks for working this through with me.